Okay, this is an update. Just washed down the tractor a little bit. Better see what I got. Y'all can see what I got too. Straight water, no chemical at all, no degreasing solution. Just using about a 3,000 psi pressure washer with a wide tip nozzle to get the pressure down. Does a fine job, good enough. Everything cleaned up. Identify any issues I got. When you do wiring, just stand back. You're going to go crazy with a pressure washer. You're not going to hurt anything. That's all you got to remember to do. With the tractor, it can get a little wet. Back end cleaned up good. Everything looking good back here. PGO. I might change that seal out. It's got a bit of a seep. Got the oil leak stop on my load sensing arm. Oh, there it is. Anyway, got that taken care of. Cleaned up the axles with fine all my Zerk fittings. There's the other side. Same thing, looking pretty good. Little doodad here is your pre-start reservoir. Gets a shot of diesel in there from the fuel injection pump return. When you energize it in start mode, it allows the diesel to go through. This is a little coil right here that heats it up, so you get heated diesel going into your cylinders on cold day startup. Hardly ever need it down here in Texas. Looking good over here. Actually see my hydraulic pump now. Find that suction screen. The radiator got cleaned up good. So if you can, you got the pressure washer, it's always best to clean it up, particularly when you're going through it, see what you actually got. That's all for now.